Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks in first new renders, and its weight is also revealed. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 3C certification reveals satellite connectivity support and new render surfaces to reveal design. The network has revealed new exciting details about the most futuristic flagship Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is only expected to arrive in January, and yet it's been in the news a lot recently. Today we even get the first set of leaked renders, depicting the upcoming device. Today, a new Samsung phone with model number SMS9380 has emerged in 3C database. Given the fact that the Galaxy S24 Ultra carried the SMS9280 model number, it is safe to assume the SMS9380 is the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. At the same time, well-known leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, better known as OnLeaks, has shared a render to give the first look at its design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 3C certification reveals that it will continue to support 45 watts charging like its predecessors. Like the S24 Ultra, the retail package of the S25 Ultra will not include a charger. What's intriguing about this certification is that it also reveals support for satellite connectivity. Therefore, the S25 Ultra will be Samsung's first phone to offer satellite communication support. The Galaxy S25 Ultra CAD renders released by OnLeaks, in collaboration with Android Headlines, suggest that Samsung fans should not expect an overhaul in design compared to the S24 Ultra. However, it should note that another reliable leaker, Ice Universe, claimed these renders are not 100% accurate because of some errors in the camera ring's design, texture, bezels, and metal frame. The new leak also states that the device will measure 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 meter. In comparison, the S24 Ultra has 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm. Therefore, the S25 Ultra is slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. While the S24 Ultra weighs 232 grams, its successor is a lighter device, weighing 219 grams. In terms of screen size, it will have the same size 6.8-inch display as its predecessor. Shown below is a slightly modified version of the S25 Ultra's CAD render by Ice Universe. According to reports, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip and a 5000 mAh battery. Its camera setup is expected to include the same 200 megapixel primary camera from S24 Ultra. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.